Georgia and the north of Georgia.
One time for them praying on my downfall. 2 times for the homies in the child hall. 3 times for them hoes on the internet shitting on niggas when they really should get out more. 4 times for the days that were all bad. 5 times for the bitches who ain't called back. 6 times for the kids like me who got ADHD just kidnap a nigga like ISIS. Whoa. Turn the whole world to a crisis. Whoa. Walk around the city with an ice pick. I've been paranoid, usually I ain't like this. Ain't no telling how crazy I might get. Beat the police with a nice stick. In my whole life I've been lifeless. Now I'm so fly, I'm a
What is up, it's your boy Terrell TV back again with another video. Right now, we are getting my girl's car, leaving it from Lafayette, taking it all the way down to where I live, and we're trying to get this thing on here. So let me get back to it with more details. I'll be right back, y'all. Car's a little bit messed up right now. We need to get a new engine for it, but we had no luck in getting it. She ended up getting the 2016 motor, which she needed a new ECU, wire harness, all that flashy shit to make this work. But today we are going to go to the car wash, clean her car off because it's been sitting there for months. And when I tell you months, this has been back to since my birthday, and that's March. Like, it's been sitting here for a minute, boy. So we're gonna go to the car wash, clean her baby off, clean my baby off, and then we're gonna be off on the road. And yeah, just go ahead and enjoy the next few clips. So we done got it up on there. Honestly, only took like 2 minutes, you know. But I'm saying, anyways, I said Terrell TV in my intro. I meant to say, what is up, you guys? It's your boy, Official Dodge Crush Bull. And we are basically just taking her car and just, you know, making sure it's clean, making sure it's out back in Indiana. So, you know, we can get everything done. She's barely here. So we thought about just taking it down there to Indiana and keeping it where we are now. So more will come. I'm out of breath. So right now it might seem like I'm sweating bullets and shit, but I'm not. I gotta put on a seatbelt. Make sure you guys don't drive without a seatbelt. Make sure you drive with the seatbelt on all the time. Alright guys, we are headed to the car wash. We are going to make sure that her car get washed because it's currently dirty as hell. So make sure you guys just keep watching. It's gonna be a productive day. I'll make sure I'm gonna finish this video because I always vlog. It never finishes on time. So we're gonna get to it today. We're going to the car wash and then we're gonna go down to Indy, drop the car off, and then go get something to eat. And hopefully later on there's like a little car show. And if so, then I'm gonna record that also. So yeah, just keep up with me. Make sure you guys are watching it. And yes, enjoy the next few clips. We are now here at the thing so we can get the car washed. And yes, are you guys ready for the clips? Okay. done and we are ready to roll out. I'm tired. I'm gonna eat, but I gotta wait. So yeah, might grab a snack at Speedway, but I'll get you guys back in a second. Give me a second. Made it home, sweet home. So we are made it. Get some gas for the U-Haul. And then we're gonna, as soon as we do that, then we go, ooh, that's nice. We're gonna go get some food because we haven't eaten all damn day. So that's one thing that we're gonna do. And then after that, I will get back to you guys once we are home. So it's the end of the day. We finally made it home, finally grabbed some food. We got Five Guys. Haven't eaten Five Guys in a minute, so hopefully it's good. Got a hot dog. But yeah, we just wrapped up the day. And we got Diablo with us. We're gonna fix it up. We're gonna get it right, get it tight. This conclude the end of the video. We really didn't do nothing but just basically move some of her stuff in with me. And yeah, that's about it. She's now officially moved in. So I'm glad, happy, whatever I'll do, and etc. Remember to like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on that post notification. When you do that, then you know when I always upload. Stay active. Thank you, everyone. Love you. Peace out.